Trinidad and Tobago has recorded its first case of the UK variant strain of the COVID-19 virus. Via press release, the Health Ministry announced that the confirmed case of COVID-19 variant B117 was recorded in a patient returning from the United Kingdom. As per existing quarantine protocols, the national provided a negative PCR test which was taken 72 hours prior to departure from the UK. Upon arriving into Trinidad and Tobago, the national was immediately placed in state quarantine in a single room before being transferred directly to an isolation area at the Couva Hospital and Multi-Training Facility once found positive. The presence of the variant was confirmed via a gene sequencing study at the Faculty of Medical Sciences, University of the West Indies, which has been testing COVID-19 positive samples collected since September 2020. The Health Ministry is also reminding the population that quarantine protocols for returning nationals from the United Kingdom have been updated from 7 days to 14 days state quarantine. This protocol will continue to be implemented, and returning nationals from all other high-risk countries will be subject to 7 days state quarantine and 7 days home quarantine. When asked to respond to this latest development, Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley said this was expected.
I've been worried from day one, and I continue to be worried, because you would have seen through the international news how easy it is to go from a comfort zone to a calamity. Let us regard it as a reminder that we are still in a very challenging situation, which is not getting better from that standpoint, but in fact the ease of transmission, what that new strain is, an easier transmission. So it puts a greater onus on us to follow the protocols to reduce and eliminate transmission.
The UK variant was found to be easier to contract than the original COVID-19 strain. Therefore, the Prime Minister encouraged the population to become more stringent in following public health protocols.
The difference in the new strain is that it makes it easier for the virus to be transmitted. So if you were skylarking with the mask, if you were skylarking with the social distancing, if you were skylarking because you have to party, just understand it is easier now to be infected.
The Ministry of Health will host a virtual COVID-19 press conference on Friday from 11 a.m.